Hello, I'm Christy with Green Living Off Grid, and today I'm going to be showing you how I start seeds in the Park Seed Biodome Seed Starter Kit. This kit comes with a biodome lid, humidity dome, that you can adjust the different humidity settings with the little slider up at the top. It's a nice, firm, sturdy dome, and the other thing that I like about this dome is that it stands a little bit taller than some of the other seed starter kits. For example, here's a Bird New seed starter tray, and I want you to notice, look at how much taller the Park Seed Biodome is than the standard seed starter tray humidity dome is. So the Park Seed does have a little bit more clearance when you're starting your seedlings. Another thing that I like about this tray over some of the other seed starter tray kits is the fact that it comes with its own floating Raft seed pod kit. Now, what's neat about this is, first of all, this is the 40 cell unit. There's a 60 cell and I believe an 18 cell that has even larger biosponges that go with it. And Park Seed provides its own biosponge that goes in these cells, but I like the 40 cell unit because it's large enough to be able to use the rapid rooter biosponges for my outdoor garden plants. These things will break down in the garden, so they're fully biodegradable and they're easy to plant outside for the outdoor garden. So I will grow in these biosponges, rapid rooter and the Park Seed biosponges. And when I'm growing with hydroponics like we're going to do today, I use the 1-inch Rockwell cube, the Gordon, and the Castle Greens Rockwell cubes. They're 1 inch and they fit nicely inside the holes of my Park Seed seedling tray. So I can use this tray for a number of different types of seed starts and plants, whether I'm growing for the outdoor garden or my indoor hydroponics. What I'm going to be doing right now is starting bean seeds for my aquaponics greenhouse grow system. And what I need to do is I need to be able to sprout them in this tray. I can put a heat mat underneath. We'll be using the Jumpstart heat mat, and that will provide the necessary heat to get those beans to sprout because they need it pretty warm to sprout. So before I put them out in the greenhouse, I'll sprout the seeds in this tray. And the nice thing about it is because it has this floating raft system, the roots can come down through the tray to be able to grow a nice root base before I try to transplant them into my aquaponic system. Now, what's so hard about beans is they don't like to be transplanted. They're one of your more temperamental seeds to start. And so I like the Park Seed Biodome kit with this floating raft system because the beans seem to sprout and do well in this system, being able to transport those seedlings once they've sprouted into my hydroponic setup in the greenhouse. So this is a really nice little seed starter tray for both outdoor and indoor gardens.